Out on the river today. Me and old Brian Wazzy Waz. Old fish slayer, boy. And you see this right here? This trolling motor mount? See that nice metal trolling motor mount? Took a piece of my face. My face, Brian.
I about shit my pants today.
God, dude. Dang it, dude. I just, look at him, look at him. Here's my sick setup. Zip tied the chair to the paddle board. Definitely top heavy. Definitely will fall in today. All right, going off on the maiden voyage now, dude.
Ready, dude.
Right, BW? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. I got you fighting it. Yeah, that was cool, dude.
Plan B fishing.
Look how sturdy old Brian's kayak is. Look at that, dude. Look at that. You could be sight fishing from up there.
What are you saying, dude? Hey, bass straight ahead.
How small is it?
Dude, that motherfucker is
This
tiny.
microscopic little frog.
It's a tiny little frog.
Get him up here. Let me get a little bit more of him. He's so tiny, dude.
Dude, oh baby.
The release. Boop.
You flip right on his back. Ooh.
Oh. Oh, little guy. Little brim. Check him out. That's a stump knocker. No, that one's a brim. Never mind. Oh.
Keep doing that.
That's how you call them fishing. See, dude? You do that, you catch a fish, baby. You catch a fish, baby. Oh, it's under you. It's a, oh. Little bass, dude. Swim bait you're using. Little guy. That's something. Looks like a little bass. Oh yeah, baby. Get him. Oh. 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 That's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
That's a nice one right there for the beetle spin. See if we could get him to bite again, dude. Oh, there he is. Little dude. Little. Look at that. Monster. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Little bass.
A little bass from behind the log.
There's a big one out there somewhere, you know, Jesse?
Little guy. Whoop. Oh. Little guy. Oh, whoa. Little bluegill. Little brim. He's a good one?
He's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
You're not filming?
Yeah, I am. I'm coming to you. Oh, yeah, dude.
Stay down. Stay down, you big bastard. Oh, yeah, dude. That's what we were looking for.
There he is.
All day.
There's one of them Withlacoochee monsters. Well, he's a good one. We'll put it that way.
Yeah, I don't
Look at him. He's a nice 4. 4.
I would say 5.
4 or 5.
I would definitely say 5. Oh yeah, dude.
Nice job.
That's what I'm talking about. Get a release on this big girl or what?
Maybe.
If I could get down there.
Me and O'Brien out here on the river today. Repping Plan B. Go get you. So the weatherman gave us 90% a chance of rain today. What'd you think about that, Brian?
I think it's a beautiful day out here.
It turned out pretty nice. It was lightning this morning though. Looking sketchy, but as soon as we got here, sun came out, heated up the sky, like good old Apollo does.
Hey.
Made a quick pit stop, eat some healthy snacks. I got a Circle K steak and egg burrito.
Wonder if it's real steak.
It's got corn and bean in it. So, you know.
Hold on, I gotta show my healthy snack. Got another healthy snack.
Let's see yours, dude. What's that? French toast and sausage?
Yeah.
Or not? Oh. Oh, okay. All right, B-dub.
Fighting, dude.
Get him, dude.
Got him to the boat.
Whoa. How? Whoa.
Kitty brim.
That's a big one. Good job, dude. On the log, or you still got him? Oh, you definitely got him.
Did I got him?
Yeah.
Is he big?
Yeah. He's a nice one. Brian's fish wrapped around a log. I'm gonna go see if I could get it. There he is. You see him?
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, the camera.
You got the lip?
Yeah.
Want me to release the bail?
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Here we go.
I'm still hung up.
No.
Hell yeah, dude.
Damn. Shot me in under the damn log. Hell yeah.
What an adventure. you got, dude?
Dude, monster. I might need you to get him.
Bring him on over.
Oh.
Lip him. Lip him if you got to.
Oh.
Lip him.
Oh, dude, I can't.
Don't let him come off.
Oh. Whoa. Woo.
Dang.
Yeah,
dude.
dang.
Well, we're at our stopping point. Waiting on old Roscoe from Water Hogs TV. Make sure to go check him out. All right. Had to go for a little swim, get Brian's fish. That was nice because it was getting pretty hot. So that worked out. That worked out nice.
I can't.
Oh. Plan B Fishing. Make sure to go check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Go like, share, subscribe on the YouTube. Please, any support we could get would be greatly appreciated. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to go show some love and support for the Plan B Fishing channel on YouTube. You can also pick up merch, shirts, stickers, whatever you can find over there on planbfishing.org. Go see if you like something. Now I gotta get it ready for a bass tournament tomorrow over there in the Water Hogs, Lake Rochelle. So I'll see y'all on the next one.